My name is Mohammad Ali Abid. I am a full stack Java developer and a full stack web developer and a software engineering student in University of Gujarat, Pakistan. I have worked with many companies like Code Alpha, Apexify, and Arc Technologies for the web development internship and a Java programming. I am also currently working with Code Alpha for the technical educator and work as a web developer and a Java developer to motivate and share my knowledge with different students to learn these fields. Now, I have created this channel Charlie.dev to share my knowledge and different concepts related to programming and system developing and web-based application development with you. Now, I have started the series Java Full Stack Development series, which is basically focused on developing the application, standalone web-based application and standalone desktop-based application using Java. Java is basically the most structured and the most strong developing backend language. Different companies are using Java for their backend, like IBM and Google and Nvidia. They hire Java developers to program their applications and other different web-based tools. Now, we will focus on developing the Java. We will focus on the basic fundamentals of the Java. Then will move on to object-oriented programming language in Java. Then data structure, and we will discuss about the different graphical user interface of the Java and the backend core concepts related to it, and also the framework like Spring Boot, Hibernate, JSP, Servlet. We will discuss all of this step by step, but I just need your support. You just try to cooperate with me and try to complete all of the lectures. I will show you and I will record for you. Now, first of all, there are four pillars that complete your thinking and the understanding about the Java. Now, the first way, the core architecture. It is a basically the clean data structure handling application developing language. It is the backbone of a language. It's a backbone of our application. We will discuss different data structures and different data manipulation and sorting methods in it. API design is the base concept of this. We will master the REST APIs, and we will try to cover all of these topics about the APIs to link the backend to our front end. We will discuss about what are REST APIs and how to create it, and we will master it. We will also understand the data processing and data structures in it. We will master the JSP, Hibernate, and the seamless data interaction. We will uh, link our backend application with our database. We will also cover the database in this session, in this series. We will also cover the service layout logic like business rule and validation logic we will be required for the business applications. We will also discuss about the security basics, implementing JVT, secure authentication, a role and basis access. Now, we will never, we will not waste our time on developing the front end by our own self using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and React and other languages. We will try to develop our front end using the vibe coding. I will show you how to prompt the AI to develop the vibe coding app and front end, and then we will link this front end with our backend Java developed REST API to link the database and the Java code and authentication with our front end development application. We will use different framework like React.js and Bootstrap to develop this front end focused UI interface. Now, the core functionality which we will discuss a professional workflow, we will also discuss about the Git and Git Push. Now, Git and Git Push is a basically and most important thing which all the companies required for their developers. All the companies required the place where they store their web application code. This will be the GitHub. We will try to push our all the code and store our all the code on the GitHub. I will convert and upload all the code on the GitHub, and you will access it day by day. The language we will use to transfer our program logic and programming all the files to GitHub by using Git Bash. We will also discuss about it, and I will also show you how to install it and how to code and how to push our logic and how to push our program to our GitHub. We will also discuss about the real world problem. We will also create the major projects like e-commerce website and professional our portfolio and library management system and college management system. I will show you how to create it. I will create it step by step. Now we will also discuss about the Docker and the Maven Gradle, which will be used for the Java development, and the CI and CD basics. We will also discuss about all the things like automatic unit and integration testing. We will also discuss about the testing of our application. We will convert our desktop-based application into the .exe file, and then we will download it and run it on other desktop operating system. Now, the fourth pillar is project milestone. Project milestone is very important. Like we will discuss about the features building. We will not implement the complex logic, and we will try to secure our database or our program by SQL injection. I will also explain what is SQL injection. It is a threat for our application, but I will discuss it and I will try to inform you how to improve it. Now, we will also discuss about code, refactoring, converting prototype into a polished, optimized code. I will show you, and I will also provide you how to deploy our project into the different cloud-based application and different cloud-based hosting platforms, which will be free. I will explain you. And the fifth and the last pillar is community and career building. We will build our community and the question answer. You will, if you are not aware about anything, if you have any type of question, then you will ask me a question in the comment box, and I will try my best to explain you and clear you. Now, I will also try my best to build your and strong your resume by doing this. Inshallah, we will discuss this. Now, this is the introduction about the Java full stack development. After this short introduction about the Java, I think your understanding will be clear about the Java full stack development. From the rest of the videos, we will start developing our full stack Java career. First of all, we will discuss about the fundamentals of the Java. The next video will be about the Java fundamentals, and then we will discuss about it and start motivating. I hope you will see me into the next video. Bye bye.